Have you ever noticed that your day begins not with birdsong or a warm cup of tea, but with a stubborn cough and the lovely sound of mucus rattling in your chest? You're not alone. Millions of older adults over 65 wake up each morning hacking, clearing their throat, and wondering if they swallowed a cotton ball in their sleep. While some people joke that it's just part of aging, there's more to this sticky situation than meets the ear or the lungs. But what if I told you this daily mucus dance isn't just a senior moment? And even better, it can be reduced naturally. Today, we're diving deep into the real reasons why mucus becomes your clingy morning companion after 65, and what you can do to stop it naturally starting today. So, grab your ginger tea, settle in, and let's get to the bottom of this not-so-silent symptom. Before we jump in, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps our channel grow. And ring the bell so you never miss these little life upgrades. Now, let's dive in. Number 1, why are you coughing up mucus every morning? Let's be clear, mucus isn't your enemy. It's actually your body's protective barrier. It traps dust, pollutants, bacteria, and even rogue crumbs from that midnight cookie you swore you didn't eat. But when mucus production goes into overdrive, your body's saying, hey, something's off down here. And no, it's not always a cold or flu. For seniors, there are specific reasons this daily ritual becomes a fixture. Let's break it down. Reason number 1, post-nasal drip and drying sinuses. As we age, our sinuses don't just get cranky, they dry out. The mucous membranes in your nose and throat thin out, which oddly enough makes them produce more mucus to try to compensate. Then you have gravity pulling everything downward while you sleep. So you wake up with that mucus sitting stubbornly at the back of your throat like a guest who overstayed their welcome. And let's not forget the indoor heating or AC systems that suck every drop of moisture from your living room and your face. The fix? Try a cool mist humidifier by your bedside. Drink warm lemon water first thing in the morning, and try sleeping with your head slightly elevated to give gravity a new job. It won't eliminate all the mucus, but it can reduce the need to sound like a lawn mower each morning. Reason number 2, silent reflux, aka LPR. Now, here's one that slips under the radar. You might think heartburn comes with a burning chest, but silent reflux doesn't play by those rules. It creeps up your throat at night and leaves inflammation in its wake, which your body then tries to soothe with, you guessed it, mucus. So if you're waking up with a sore throat, a hoarse voice, or a cough that won't quit, it might be reflux. Try this instead of antacids. Avoid eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. Skip acidic foods at dinner, sorry tomatoes. Sleep on your left side to help digestion. And sip chamomile or ginger tea after your evening meal. It's about giving your throat a break and your body a fighting chance to heal. Reason number 3, environmental triggers. Your house might be the culprit. You'd be surprised how many seniors think they're catching something when it's really their carpet or their favorite recliner doing the dirty work. Yes, allergens live in your home, dust mites, mold spores, pet dander, happily settling where you rest the most. And every time you breathe them in, your body tries to eject them via mucus. It's your body's little cleaning crew, but way less efficient and far more annoying. To fix it, vacuum twice a week, especially bedroom carpets. Use a HEPA air purifier, especially where you sleep. Replace old pillows. They're basically dust farms. And if you have a pet, no judgment, but maybe not on the pillow. A cleaner home means a calmer airway. Reason number 4, medications that dry you out or cause secretions. Here's a wild one. Some medications you take, yes, even the ones prescribed to help you, can either dry your airways or make your body produce more mucus. Blood pressure meds, especially beta blockers, diuretics, which dehydrate, certain antidepressants or sleep aids. All of these can mess with your throat and lungs in subtle ways. And next thing you know, you're coughing more than the morning news anchor. Solutions. Stay hydrated. Think 6 to 8 cups of water daily. Talk to your doctor about side effects you may not have considered. And try natural expectorants like thyme tea or licorice root in moderation. Don't just accept side effects as a life sentence. Reason number 5, past smoking or lingering lung irritation. Here's the elephant in the room, or should we say, the smoke cloud. If you were ever a smoker, even if you quit 30 years ago, your lungs may still be dealing with the aftermath. Mucus becomes their cleanup crew, trying to trap residual damage and move it out. Even if you've never smoked, air pollution over the years still wears down your respiratory system. Natural aids to help. Steam therapy. Breathe in warm steam daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Peppermint essential oil in a diffuser or shower. Breathing exercises to strengthen your lung function. Your lungs are surprisingly resilient even after decades. Help them help you. Reason number 6, chronic inflammation or food sensitivities. Now, this one surprises most folks. Did you know certain foods can cause mucus buildup even if you're not technically allergic to them? Common culprits: dairy, gluten, processed sugar. These cause low-grade inflammation in some people, and mucus is the body's go-to defense. Try eliminating one at a time for 2 to 3 weeks. You might be amazed how quickly your throat clears up. Number 2, natural remedies for mucus relief after 65. So now that we've explored the why, let's tackle the how. Here are simple, natural remedies to reduce mucus without relying on a cabinet full of medications. Warm salt water gargles kills bacteria and soothes inflammation in your throat. Turmeric milk, golden milk, powerful anti-inflammatory drink that tastes like a hug. Honey plus black pepper plus warm water. A classic combo for breaking down mucus. Bonus, it tastes like grandma's wisdom. Eucalyptus oil steam. Add a few drops to boiling water and inhale carefully. Just don't boil your eyebrows off. Gentle morning stretches. Opens your chest, improves breathing, and gets circulation flowing. Number 3, when to see a doctor. Let's be clear, most cases of mucus buildup after 65 are not dangerous, but there are a few red flags you should never ignore. Blood in your mucus, chest pain or tightness, sudden weight loss, difficulty breathing, persistent mucus for more than 8 weeks. When in doubt, don't wait. Early action leads to better outcomes. Aging doesn't mean accepting discomfort as your new roommate. If coughing up mucus every morning has become your new normal, it doesn't have to stay that way. Nature has your back. Hydration, fresh air, the right herbs, and a bit of trial and error can go a long way. Your golden years should feel just that. Golden, not gurgly. So the next time someone tells you it's just part of getting old, smile politely and hand them a cup of ginger tea. Then hit play on this video again to remind yourself just how much control you still have. Thank you for watching. If this helped you or reminded you of someone who needs it, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a comment below. What natural remedy has worked best for your morning mucus? We love learning from your wisdom too. If you'd like to support us further, you can do so by donating in the link in the description below. Until next time, stay clear, stay strong, and keep breathing easy.